Guys, it's really warm out today. It's like 60 something and it's supposed to get up in the 70s. How awesome is that? It's also really windy, but it's still warm. Be quiet, phone. These are all my bracelets, guys. All of them that I've made so far. Well, besides the ones that I've given away and stuff, but these are all of them that I keep for myself. And there's those ones. Yeah, the one that I just took out was the one that Jane gave me. But there's those ones too. But those ones are different and I couldn't lay them flat to photograph them. But yeah, I just took a picture of all of them to put them on the site. Well, obviously these ones aren't included in it, but whatever. Look guys, I gave you a decoration. Dark clouds. I think everything blurred. I think it tried to focus on that tree that went by. Go let me focus on the thing that's moving away from me. I think it's gonna storm. As soon as we get home, it's just gonna be like, and then rain. Guys, it's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. Crazy wind. Like I'm expecting for it to just downpour at any second. Looks like it's going to. Look at that. It's crazy. It's in the 70s though, it's warm, but the wind goes down so it's not too bad. Wow.
I'm supposed to get married someday. You see that stripe of blue in there? That's what she's trying to get up.
Even the birds said nope and they flew away.
The tree looks terrible. Like you cut down.
That'll look better when the leaves come in. Run out in the rain, Evie. No. Isn't that cold rain?
Yeah, it's getting colder.
I like it.
Do you? Yeah. You can run in the rain.
Get out of the rain, Mom. You can't be in the cold.
I remember.
No cold for you.
I know.
Oh my God.
And I'm not even wearing socks. That's alright. Oh, that's big raindrops.
Yeah, they are.
Go ahead, Evie. Dad's asleep. He can't tell you can't go stand in the rain.
I like that.
It's not gonna get you sick. Unless you stood out there for like overnight.
Hiding under the tree and it's not working. As long as there's no lightning.
No, just thunder right now. It's raining again. It had stopped for a while, but it was still cloudy and it just thundered and started raining again. I accidentally broke it, guys. I tried, guys, but it didn't really work. I'm gonna have to get a new tub. I forgot to tell Dad tonight, but oh well. Hopefully I'll let him know tomorrow. Maybe they'll be on sale or something at Walmart this week. Alright, guys. I'm tired. It's not even that late. Well, not as late as it's been, but I'm so tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. And I hope you all have a wonderful night / morning / whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night.
All my life, I've been waiting for you. All my life, I didn't know what to do. the light across the ocean waves. By your side, I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this maze.